Take built-in design to the next level with Uline's premium, seamless integration options. Elevate any kitchen, home bar, or entertainment area with features designed for the modern home. From hidden hinges to panel-ready doors and grills, we give designers, architects, and homeowners the ability to blend their appliance into their design without compromising functionality. Uline offers a wide range of under-counter appliances like beverage centers, refrigerators, wine preservation, ice machines, and freezers. Our integrated finish options are shipped with an unfinished door, ready to accept a 3/4-inch custom panel. Glass door models accept a frame-style panel, and solid door panel models create more discreet appearance. Attach the hardware of your choice, creating a custom look that matches your aesthetic perfectly. Uline's adjustable grill accessory takes customization to another level. It moves forward and slides down to line up with surrounding cabinetry, and is designed to accept a custom panel or continuous toe kick panel, allowing your appliance to seamlessly disappear into the cabinetry while still providing ventilation for optimal performance. Our concealed, articulating hinge eliminates the need for extra door clearance gaps. Completely hidden behind the door, this innovative design ensures your appliance blends perfectly with the surrounding cabinetry, maintaining a clean, uninterrupted aesthetic. Panel installation is designed to be straightforward. Remove the door gasket, line up the panel, and mount it with the included screws. No additional kits are required. With easy-to-find model-specific panel specifications, designers can seamlessly integrate Uline products into any space. Whether in the kitchen, bar, gym, or spa, your vision comes to life easily and beautifully. Seamless integration means your design speaks for itself. Premium features, effortless installation, and a flawless finish. Take your built-in design to the next level with Uline. Built-in to stand out.